Hey everyone! So, is the Slack app not loading on your device? Maybe the app opens but stays stuck on the loading screen, or the workspace never appears. Yeah, that can definitely slow down your work, especially if your team communicates through Slack. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Slack app. Not loading problem in 2026, and most of these fixes are actually quick and easy. First, check your internet connection. Slack needs a stable connection to load your workspace and messages, so if your internet is slow or disconnected, the app may not load properly. Next, close the Slack app completely and open it again. Sometimes the app just gets stuck during startup, and restarting it can fix the loading issue. If Slack still isn't loading, check the Slack server status. Sometimes the platform experiences outages or temporary service issues. Another common fix is clearing the Slack cache. Cached data can sometimes become corrupted and prevent the app from loading correctly. Now make sure your Slack app is updated to the latest version. Older versions may contain bugs that cause loading problems. If the issue continues, try logging out of Slack and then signing back in. This refreshes your account session and often resolves loading errors. If nothing else works, uninstall the Slack app and reinstall it. This installs a clean version of the application and removes any corrupted files. And that's it. Most Slack loading issues can be fixed by restarting the app, clearing the cache, or updating the application. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick troubleshooting tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.